Okay guys, I got this Compaq Presario SR1000. This is an early 2000s compact box at recycling. And I just took the time to tear it apart. This is what we've got with this bad boy. I've got a Dynex 520 watt power supply. Mind you, I don't know if any of this stuff works. Like, I really don't. Haven't even tried it. I've just pulled it apart. Anyhow, got that power supply. That's always nice to have. I've got a couple others, but they do die. So, it's good to have that on the bench. It came with an 80 gigabyte Seagate spinner. It is a PATA, it's not SATA. Let's see here. This is a really dirty and crusty floppy. Again, no idea if it works, but right on if it does. I would imagine one of these guys probably does. They're both CDRWs, so CD, DVD, rewritable. This one is from 2004, and this one is 2006. Both PATA. But yeah, great for the early, Power PC Macs that Power PC and early Intel Macs that I mess with. They both use that standard. So, yeah, all in all. Oh yeah, and I have two 512 sticks of DDR, original DDR memory. So pretty cool, standard cables. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Boy, is it dirty in there. This thing was crusty when I got it. I am kind of interested to see what's on this drive, see if there's any cool software or anything like that before I wipe it. And this is the logic board. Yeah, I mean, it looks to be in pretty good working order, except, and this may be why it was junked, the VGA port is snapped off and broken. It's no big deal. I've got extras I can solder on. Just get that soldered on and see if we can fire this puppy up with that drive to see if this stuff works. Cool. Well, I appreciate you guys. This will be fun to break into this a little further, get it cleaned up, see if everything fires up or not. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.